Hello guys, I'm Sanya Singh Rathore and I'm 19-year-old. So last day I was talking to my sister and she said to me that the lot of people are talking behind me and she was crying. And she was like, she was constantly thinking about those people, why they think me in this way. And there is lot of guilt and regret she was feeling. And on the other hand, and on that same time, I was talking to my friend, and he is from Muzaffarnagar, and he also said to me that I want to make content, but there is a lot of society people that said to me that don't do that kind of thing because it will not make sense in your life. There is a lot of boys who are preparing for government job, so you also should. This is like bullshit. We all are becoming victim of society people, and we are constantly thinking about them. But I want to tell you one thing, guys, that don't think about them. This is not your job what they think about you. Your job only to make yourself happy, because those people are not going to die with you. When you will be on your deathbed, they will not lie down on that time. So why do you think about them? Are they giving you food? Are they solving your problem? Not at all. Then why do you think about them? You know what? They have also a lot of insecurities and lots of doubt, and they didn't solve on the right time, so they are just applying on you. They want to make you feel small because those things they didn't do, they also want you shouldn't do. So I just want to tell you one thing, don't listen to them. Don't focus on them. This will make you feel depressed if you are constantly thinking about them. They are not thinking about you. They are also not thinking about your dream. On the time when you will fail, they will only laugh at you. So then why do you think about them? They are not going to tell you that this is your goal and do for that. Not at all. Have you ever noticed successful people? Successful people never criticize. They will never tell you that this is not meant for you. Don't work for that. No, they will never, because they are successful and they understand the definition of success. What did it truly mean? And they know that how success truly looks like. And they will never make you feel insecure about you because they aren't. On the other side, those are so-called people. Those even don't know who they actually are. So they want to apply those insecurities, lots of doubt on you. They don't want to make you successful person, and you are following their blueprint. No, stop it right now. Think about yourself. Think about your dream. Don't think about them. If they can cry you and you're still thinking about them, are you crazy? Open your eyes for yourself. Who will think about you? Days are constantly passing. Life is too short. You are not here to figure out what they think about you. Let them think and forget what they think about you, because you can't change what they think about you. They can only think and they can only speak what they have and what they are. And it is totally depend on your thoughts, how they think. So don't focus on them. Be yourself, love yourself, accept yourself as you exactly are. And these are just limiting beliefs those they are creating. This is not you. You are different. How long you will grab all kind of information from social media, from people? Find your true self, that who you actually are. No one will tell you that who you actually are. This is your own job. Don't give them permission. Take your energy back and use it for your success, for your happiness. Don't think about them too much. They have nothing to do with your happiness, and they will never think about you.